Hi, my name is Jody DeVere. I am the CEO of AskPatty.com and the co-founder of the Women in Automotive Conference. Welcome to my session, my virtual session for the Rockstar Vision 2020 conference. I'm really happy that I was able to videotape my session for you. I actually changed my session title to be more appropriate for the day and time that we're all experiencing during COVID-19. My topic today is about 3 important ways that you can effectively communicate during this very challenging and unprecedented period of time. And those 3 concepts are care, concern, and compassion. This can apply to your leadership style. This can apply to how you treat your customers, what your marketing message is, your actions during how you behave. Because after all, COVID-19 will pass. And how do you want to be known? How do you want to be known after it's over? How will you rebuild relationships and develop a greater market share post-COVID-19. My heart goes out to everyone. Many people have been laid off. Dealerships have been closed down. In some states, they can't do business at all. I'm in California. In California, they can only do service center work. And I do have a lot of clients who are experiencing this along with my own businesses. And so, I want to just say that my heart goes out to all of you. We are experiencing this together. A lot of you may not know that prior to my 20 years in automotive, I was in the high-tech field. In the high-tech industry, there were many very shocking, steep ups and downs, and you had to really turn on a dime. And I've had a lot of experience having the market change swiftly and having to lay off lots of people. It requires a lot of care, concern, and compassion to do that work and really maintain your integrity and relationships with those employees. You may want to hire them back. And some of the things that I did, one, I was very open about why this was happening. I counseled them. I provided letters of recommendation, personally signed by me. I provided them resources to help them job search or other resources to enable them to apply for unemployment. And of course, there's a stimulus package available too to some folks. And so I wanted to make sure not only at the exit interview, but thereafter that they could reach out to me for support if needed. Many of those people came back to work for me over the years at different times, even in Ask Patty. So I think the approach should be care, concern, and compassion, since we're all experiencing this, great communication with employees for sure. Many of my clients have reduced hours as well and negotiated that with key employees to keep the place running. Negotiating so that you can keep staff on or help them work from home. I went through that period in 2008, 9, 10, and somewhat into 11, and made the decision to close the physical offices and provide laptops and all the tools that employees would need to work from home. And that saved me a bundle. So making great decisions, altering your processes. I'm seeing a lot of really good work come out of this. I mean, after all, don't consumers want to just buy online and have the car delivered to them? And so many of my clients and clients that I'm watching are doing that and making the purchasing process a lot more cost effective in terms of your time. So some good things I think will come out of this, and looking at some of your processes and procedures to make them more streamlined. For instance, many service and repair centers and car dealership service centers are doing the cleaning of vehicles and sanitizing of vehicles after they have serviced the vehicles. I think that's awesome. I would love to have that done even if we didn't have COVID-19. Anyway, excuse me. Some other things I'm seeing are really what our industry can be known for and what each company can be known for is so much great giving back work. I have a multi-location client in one state, and he partnered with many restaurants in the area, and they have provided so far 16,000 meals for essential workers who are working in hospitals or police officers or firemen. And it made the news. Why wouldn't it? And it's really good news to see. And I've known the owners of this business for many years, and it really comes from their heart. They're not just doing it to look good. This is just how they are. And it's really heartwarming to see the generosity and the time that they're spending to help support those essential workers. I'm also seeing some really amazing offers for consumers that are coming, free oil changes or waiving the diagnostic fee in the service department for medical workers and essential workers, offering really deep discounts as well. You know, you can really paint a story of your business during this time for better or for worse, depending on your point of view and what you're focused on. Obviously, you need to focus on staying in business, and that takes money. I think going about that needs to be filled with care, concern, and compassion for all the parties, including your vendors. Um, they're all struggling too. Automakers are struggling. And so we need to grant grace to the whole ecosystem of automotive right now, and be kind. That's just the way that I see things, because in the long run, after this is over, and it will subside, you want to ask yourself, what do you want to be known for? And market share with women, for sure, they watch. They want to do business with good community citizens and businesses who value relationships with people. And right now, you have opportunities to really shine in your local market. And for those suppliers and vendors who are listening, within your company. And so that's my topic today, to encourage everyone to act from your best self right now, because in the long run, that's a big payoff in the relationships that you'll maintain by negotiating and making it as fair as possible for everyone involved. I want to thank you for your time today. It's a pleasure to be part of the Rockstar Vision 2020 conference. Again, my name is Jody DeVere. I'm the CEO of AskPatty.com and the co-founder of the Women in Automotive Conferences. Thank you for taking time to tune in to my webinar.